Students, quick question. What if your laptop could literally pay for your rent, groceries, or tuition while you're still studying? No, this is not crypto hype. No, you don't need to code. And no, you don't need money to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how students are earning money with AI, the tools they use, what they sell, and how you can start today, even if you have zero experience. Let's be real for a second. Most students don't have time for a full-time job, can't afford expensive courses, need flexible income. That's where AI changes everything. AI doesn't replace you, it multiplies your output. What used to take hours now takes minutes. You're no longer selling time, you're selling results, powered by AI. And businesses don't care how you did it, they care that it's done. Let's start with the easiest one, AI writing. Using tools like ChatGPT, students are creating blog posts, product descriptions, cover letters and CVs, emails, website content. Here's the key part. You don't sell AI writing, you sell solutions. Example, instead of saying, I use AI to write text, you say, I help businesses write high-converting content faster. You can charge $5 to $15 for small tasks and $50 plus for larger projects. Platforms to start, freelancing sites, Reddit, Twitter, or X. Your own simple website. This is beginner-friendly and perfect if English is not even your first language. Method number 2, AI video and short-form content. This one is huge right now. Creators, brands, and companies all want YouTube Shorts, TikToks, Instagram, and Facebook Reels, but they don't want to edit. With AI tools, students are turning long videos into shorts, adding subtitles automatically, creating faceless videos, generating captions and hooks. And why does this work? Businesses pay monthly, content is repeatable, the demand is exploding, and the typical pricing, $15 to $35 per hour per client, according to Upwork.com. You can even charge more for daily content. If you can post on TikTok, you can do this as well. Method number 3, AI transcription and voice work. This is one of the most underrated methods. Using AI, students are offering transcriptions, subtitles, podcast show notes, and voiceovers. AI does the transcription, the formatting, and even the voice. You just clean it up and deliver the final result. This is perfect if you like accuracy, if you want predictable work, and if you prefer simple tasks. This works extremely well for students who want steady side income. How to actually start, step by step. Let's simplify this. Step 1. Pick one method, not 3, not all. 1. Step 2. Learn one AI tool. Don't tool hop, master the basics. Step 3. Create a simple offer. Here is an example. I create 5 shorts per week for creators. Step 4. Put yourself where buyers already are. Think of freelancing platforms, social media, and communities. Step 5. Improve while earning. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. But here is a quick warning. Don't overthink tools. Don't wait until you're ready. Don't copy scammy gurus. And don't expect overnight money. Instead, start small. Deliver value. Build proof and stay consistent. AI rewards action, not perfection. And that matters because AI is not the future. It's right now. Students who learn how to use it today will have an unfair advantage tomorrow. If you want a practical next step, I've linked a short AI tutorial video you can watch next by clicking on the screen. In this video, I show how to turn ideas into viral shorts using AI, step by step. And if you are looking for more remote job leads, don't forget to check out the description box for the resources. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these. I will see you in the next video.